Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Rohit Varman and I recently buy Realme Buds Air 6 Pro for my iPad. This is one of the best accessories for my iPad. I cannot wait to show you what inside it. So let's start. In my hand, this is Realme Bud Air 6 Pro. Here you can see on top high-res audio is support such as LDAC. Here on side, Realme branding, dual device connection. You connect this device with your smartphone and also your tablet or laptop. 6 mic noise cancellation and up to 40 hours of playback. Here you can link your buds with Realme Link apps. Also this sides, here the Realme branding, hi-fi quality dual drives, 50 dB smart active noise cancellation, 360 special audio effects also available. Here are some specifications. You can read these specifications by pausing the video. So let's unbox. Here is the buds, left and right. First see the box content. Here the charging cable, type A to type C. Here are some extra tips for best fitting. Documentation. Here are the full details how to pair your buds with your device. Now unwrap the buds. This is the left bud and this is the right bud. So let's pair with my iPad. This is my iPad A16. I pair the buds with my iPad. Here you can download Realme Link app by scan the QR code. This is the Realme Link app. I already downloaded it. So let's open. Here you can see the pair device option. So click on it. So firstly you have to create or login your Realme account here. I don't have any account, so I create my account. Here you can see I found my buds, Realme Buds Air 6 Pro. So let's tap on it. Realme Bud Air 6 Pro pair. device is paired. Agree. Here you can see all the details. Left earbud 100% charge, right earbud 100% charge. Case has 60% battery left. Here the noise cancellation, and here the transparency mode. Here the sound effects. Here the some sound effects: clear vocal, natural balance, clear bass, bass boost. Here also equalizer. You can change your own. So I select the option clear bass. Here also some golden sound effect. Here the special audio, turn on and turn off. Dynamic bass also available. Other features: here the dual device connection available. Also game mode available. Here the some option: earbud fit test, fine flow mode, button setting. Here you can set your touch option. So friend, this is all about Realme Buds Air 6 Pro unboxing. In next video I will show you the audio quality and some mic testing for calling. If you are new on my channel, hit the subscribe button for upcoming videos.